Hello, Denzians of the Warp, and welcome to another episode of Rebel Rogue.
Rebel Rogue.
Today, we will be building the Chaos Lord in Terminator armor by Games Workshop for your games of Warhammer 40,000. Let's get to it. Firstly, let's check our instructions on how to build our Terminator Lord. After you've done that, make sure your clippers are sharp and that you've got your instructions on the right page, which I've probably just realised. Now it's flopped onto the wrong page. Carefully detach every piece you need from the sprue, making sure not to cut yourself with your clippers and not to cut off any important parts of your model. For this model, I'll be magnetising it, so I'm cutting off all of the arms and all of the heads. If you choose to not magnetise your model, you just cut off the parts you'd like. The set does include a power axe, a combi bolter, combi melter, power fist, 2 sets of lightning claws, and cloak, nice cloak, several hundred pipe heads, 2 unmasked, 3 masked, and a force stave. We then want to clean up all of our parts, removing any unwanted pieces of flashing and bits of sprue that may be left on. If you're using scalpel, please remember to be very careful with it. Unfortunately, I did nick myself with the end of it, so apologies if you don't like blood. There may be a bit of blood in these next scenes. Once all of that is done, and after you've cleaned myself up, and I also finished off cleaning up all the other parts of the model, We then proceed to take our plastic glue. I use poly cement, you can use any brand you like, and we put it on the place where we want the join to be, and we just squeeze it. We gently test fit it first. We then want to place it where we want it with glue on and just hold it there until it sets enough to let it go. Poly cement does take about 10 minutes to dry before it can be worked, so do leave them alone. Be careful, don't glue yourself. If you're using super glue, definitely don't glue yourself. Bad idea, I've done it before. A lot of super glue. Goes crusty on your fingers. Very nasty. Once you're happy with your model, you can proceed to painting it. I chose to leave my model off the base, and the parts I want to be magnetised, I do not, and I repeat, do not glue onto your miniature. Leave space. Leave them separate, so you can drill holes and put magnets in. You can have a interchangeable multi-part model. Very exciting. As ever, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which hopefully will be me painting a Terminator Lord.